Mary Kay is a multi-million-dollar company with subsidiaries in all markets around the world, and our independent beauty consultants actually rely on us to ensure that the packaging that we produce and send to their markets follow the regulatory requirements. The Mary Kay office in Dallas is actually responsible for creating all of that packaging around the world. The Kallik solution has really brought a lot of efficiencies and productivity to our organization because everything is tracked in the system. So it really is a 360-degree view of the packaging artwork process. There's really three reasons why we selected the Kallik solution for our packaging artwork process. Kallik offers what's called a semi-automated artwork process, and it allows our production artists to create packaging artwork more efficiently.
One of the biggest benefits that we've seen from the Kallik system on the production side is the Cascade plugin, the semi-automated artwork. We have inserts that we do create in InDesign. There are 17 different languages. We can have 5 to 10 fields that we have to have, 17 different languages. There's 170 pieces of information possible that we have. We have to have that in the right order, in the right space, under the right language. Doing that manually out of a brief was daunting, but once we realized we had that functionality to be able to set up a template, hit a button, have all of that come in the order we want, it totally changed how we were doing our inserts.
The second one, which is really a big one, was the phrase manager that they offer. The phrase manager actually allows us to be more consistent with the copy or content that's on our packaging. And all of the translations are actually stored in this content management system within the Kallik solution.
My very favorite feature of the Kallik solution is the phrase manager. And we have a weekly process where we use the translation exchange report, and we send that out to request translations. And I really just love how the translators send it back, and all I do, I get a spreadsheet in the email and click the import button, and it's in the phrase manager. Before we started using Kallik, we did not have that capability, and we had to ask for the same translations over and over. So the phrase manager has made translations much more efficient. We do not have to re-request the same words, the same phrases again and again. This makes things a lot easier for our subsidiaries. They can spend fewer resources on translations because we only request new phrases. We know that a phrase will be the same on a cleanser as it is for a moisturizer. We know the translation will be the same. We won't have one version on a carton and another version on a bottle. It's just really great for consistency across packaging.
Lastly, the Kallik solution offers a where use functionality where we're able to switch out content on the fly, for example, a postal code that gets changed in market.
Another great feature is the where used. We had a case where we moved to a new facility. We had to go find all the artwork that had the old address. We were able to look in Kallik, come up with a list of artwork that needed to be updated, and that was a great time saver for us.
The Kallik staff have really been great partners on this journey, and they've been very receptive to ideas that we bring to the table, and they're very collaborative with us in regards to continually evolving the system.
I enjoy working with the people at Kallik. So I've been here for 5 years and worked with their support staff, and they're always willing to help me, always willing to listen.
They've recently invested a lot of money in their organization to continually evolve the system. So we're super excited about where this partnership will take us in the future.